today we are blessed to have the wonderful Kiwi with us for the, I believe, 2 days. So right now I'm gonna go get food, walk her a little, then get her some food, and then we are going to go to John's to drop the e36 off and talk some plans and whatnot. Ooh, SLK 55 AMG. But yeah, that's what we're gonna go do, and then yeah, that's what we're gonna go do. So we should be all set. I think I could go, you know what, let me not even bother go over there. I really hate them doing this construction. Like, they should put signs closer up. But yeah, so that's what we're gonna do, and we'll go check and see what John is up to at his shop, because I'm pretty sure he's gotten a little bit more progress on his builds and all that's been over there. So yeah, I'll get back to you guys in a second. Kiwi's crying because she can't lay on me farther, but man, Kiwi, we're driving. Just noticed she was too far down. Hey, come here. Kiwi. Pay attention. Again, girl. You can't just be peeing everywhere. Sheesh. So here's the first one. This is fish. Baja fish to be exact, but oh my god, look at it. Oh, I love this place so much. It's bomb, ain't it? Know the vibes. It's bomb, ain't it? Good girl. Kiwi, you see the lizard? See, you were being nice when you saw Oliver, but Oliver was scared. Look at them, they're eating blueberries and bugs. But yeah, you already know, cashing out for the baby. You already know how we do. So I'm gonna attempt to wash off the trans a little, but for some reason, this thing, like, it's just not shooting as strong as it should be. Like, oh, now it's doing a little. I'm also going to put on the stronger tip, but yeah. Gonna see what I could do with this as is, and then, yeah. But I'll be showing you guys, like, all the parts that I have between, like, well, yeah. I'll just be showing you guys, and you'll see. But it's really a lot of stuff, so, yeah. So as you guys can see, like right there, it's making the line through all the crud. So it is working a bit. It'll just take a really long time to get like clean, but yeah. All right, so this is all the, not even all the parts. This is all the parts that I have here, besides the mid pipe, but 335i 6-speed manual transmission, drive shaft. Jesus Christ, I keep hitting my fucking head. Drive shaft, Dyna exhaust, DKM twin disc clutch, cool carbon pads, and a BMS short shifter, I think that is. E36 ZHP calipers, E46 rotors, a whole bunch of stuff in there that I'll start to show you guys. So Godspeed rear camber arms. I have front control arms, front tie rods, the brake fluid, stainless steel brake lines, Delrin trans mounts, trans bushings, brake master, brake clutch cylinder, slave cylinder. I have the clutch pedal. I don't even know, like, there's so much stuff in there that it's crazy. And there's still more. So I still have the whole supercharger kit that's coming, and I still have the N54 adapter kit that's coming. And then there's still more parts that I need to order, like a gasket refresh kit, cut ring head gasket, ARP head studs. What else? The oil pump nut securing thing. And then I don't know what else, but there's quite a bit more. So I'll just be showing you guys what else I get per usual. But yeah, like literally this was all up on the 3rd floor, and I had to bring it all down. It's the worst. I don't know why I keep stuff up there, but yeah, I'm gonna find a better place to put these things. But well, besides the transmission, that was out here. But yeah, so that's really a lot of stuff. Like, it may not seem like a lot by how I named it, but it is a lot of stuff. So yeah, next clip will be when we're at the shop or when the truck is here, either way. But yeah, I'll get back to you guys in a little while. I don't know if you can hear me, but this is something stupid I did yesterday. I'm actually going to redo it because I like the look, but in a different material. I'm going to also do the headliner and everything, and so yeah. But yeah, I'm about to put the car in the tow truck, and then we're going to go to Axion Motorsports, and we'll give you guys the update from there. So yeah, the guy thought that the car was static, so he was like, yeah, that's not going to work. But I'm like, yeah, it's on bag, so it's going to go right up.